So next up is number 5, which says define electric work. So here we are in electrostatics again, and electric work is going to be the work done by an electrostatic force. Okay, work done by an electrostatic force. Electrostatic force. Okay, on a charged particle, we can say the work done by an electrostatic force, or let's say in moving an amount of charge from one position to another. In moving a given amount of charge, from one position to another. This is the electrostatic work. Work done by an electrostatic force, moving charge from one position to another. It has to move. Then here we get a charge moves blah 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 from. So here we know the formula for work. Okay, what they said, a student guessed that the work done is this. A charge moves from this place to this. Already I'm saying that it must be work. Work is equal to QE delta X, right? So here it moves from 100 centimeters to 250. So I can say delta X is equal to XB minus XA, which is going to be, I'm going to say 250 minus 100, right? Centimeters, but I'm going to say times 10 to the negative 2 meters. Okay, I'm changing it to meters. I can't have it as centimeters. It will give me a wrong answer. 250 minus 100, it is 150 times 10 to the negative 2, which you're going to find as 1.50 meters. Okay, so there we have. So it's going to be 1.50 meters. Now, what are we going to have now? After this, we are going to have the E. So this is E. So we need QE. A charge, they've given us a Q. So I can say that work is equal to QE delta X, which is going to be equal to, what's the charge? 2.00. So 2.00 microcoulombs is times 10 to the negative 6 coulomb times, what's the E? E is 3.0. Okay, 3.00 newtons per coulomb. Then times, what is the last one? The last one is going to be times delta X, which is 1.50 meters. So if I put that in the calculator, I'm going to get, let me put it in the calculator real fast. I'm going to have 2.00 EXP negative 6, and then times 3.00, then times 1.50. This is going to be, here I'm going to get an answer. Okay, it will be 0.000009, which I think is going to be 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So it's going to be equal to 9.0 times 10 to the negative 6 joules. Okay, work done. So a student guessed that the work is going to be 9 times 10 to the negative 6 joules. Was the student correct? I'll say yes. Therefore, the student was correct. Therefore, the student was correct because it has agreed with our working. So this is going to be true. And that's going to be the solution to this one.